guys, I'm here today to give another quick tutorial on the wonders of the Norwex cleaning paste. I cannot say enough about this product. I know I preach about it over and over and over again, but this product, you'll find hundreds and hundreds of uses for it. It is literally elbow grease in a jar. What it is a wonderful little product that's kind of shaped like a hockey puck, super heavy. It's kind of got a chalky consistency. When you get this wet, it becomes a paste. It's comprised of 3 natural ingredients: marble flour, natural soaps, and some traces of coconut oil. That's it. There's no phosphates, no poisons, no toxins, no acids. It's totally biodegradable. It's environmentally safe. It's skin friendly. It's kid friendly. You need this in your home, everyone. It does wonders on your stainless steel. It does wonders on shoes, everything, leather furniture. I can't even begin to tell you the oodles and oodles of things that you can do with this product. But for this tutorial, I want to talk about floor grout. I have white floor grout in my bathroom. Here's a disgusting area that I have to pay attention to at least once every couple months. This is right where we step out of the shower. I've always got a mat there. It collects moisture. It's disgusting. I let it go. I would normally have cleaned this a couple weeks ago, but I knew that I wanted to do this video for you guys, so I've let it go to get extra icky so that you guys can see how quick, easy, effective, and non-toxic this job is. Now, you can use cleaning paste alone, friends. You can. But because I've become kind of a grout cleaning addict over the past 2 years, now that I've been introduced to Norwex, I've gotten a little creative. And instead of taking 10 or 15 seconds to clean up the spot, I've learned a way to clean it up in 10 seconds or less. What I've done is I incorporate into this cleaning job some diluted Ultra Power Plus. Now, I know this is another product that I have emphasized over and over and over in my blogs and on my page and at parties and Facebook parties and all of that, but Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent is literally so much more than a laundry detergent. I have to say, to be honest, I use it for way more things in my house than for doing laundry. I mean, it's 100% biodegradable. There's no phosphates, no sulfates, no chlorine, no bleach, no SLS, no SLES. There's optical brighteners in it, but they're all natural. They're not toxic brighteners. It's totally safe for septic systems. It's amazing for people who have super sensitive skin or skin irritations, eczema, anything like that. It's great for babies. I recommend it over Dreft. It will get your baby spit up super clean. The stains will be gone. When I used to use Dreft, there was always that nasty yellow stain left behind on my kids' clothes. No more with the Ultra Power Plus. Anyway, there's many things that you can use it for. It also comes in a liquid form now, which I have not tried yet. I'm happy with the powder. But anyway, I use this product. I use about a scoop of it. It's probably too much. I could probably use just half a scoop. But I put it in an old Windex bottle. 1 scoop, hot water, fill up the bottle, let it, dissipate. And I literally use this product all over my house when I need a little extra oomph to a cleaning job. It's totally safe to use with your Norwex and microfiber, and I recommend it to everybody. So back to the issue at hand, nasty floor grout. That is nasty, okay? Nasty, and it only happens right outside of my shower. So I'm gonna show you the easiest, quickest, most effective way to get rid of that. You're not gonna believe it. You're not gonna believe it, friends. I use a toothbrush that I keep designated for these jobs. I use a wet, damp kitchen cloth. Everyone who knows me knows kitchen cloth is my go-to. You can use an EnviroCloth. It's just a matter of preference. I am obsessed with the kitchen cloth. You can even use the counter cloths. Those are our new counter cloths. You could use that as well. All you have to do is spray the floor spray your area. Get your toothbrush wet. I'm using this one-handed, guys. One-handed. You can see it's becoming a paste now. I'm just mixing it up so you guys can see really good. But you don't even need, you only need a dab, okay? Over to the spot and start cleaning. Just scrub, scrub. Guys, can you see this? It's literally a miracle. Look at the difference. It took me, I don't know, 5 seconds to do that. Let's do some more. This is unbelievable. I love this product, guys. I can't say enough about it. So we're gonna dip. Get that caca off of there. A little more paste, just a little bit, no biggie. By the way, guys, this paste will last you forever. Scrub. Guys, it's disappearing. It just disappears. It's gone. How about that? What a difference. It literally wipes right up. There's what it was, and this is what it is. Back to white. If you'd like to get some cleaning paste, let me know. Shoot me a text, email, inbox me. It'll become your new best friend, and you'll thank me, you'll love me, and you'll want more.